Hi, I'm currently a freshman here at SCAD, and I'm making this video because as an incoming freshman, I had a lot of questions about the training rooms and just general questions that kind of weren't being answered in any other room tour video that I had been watching. So I'm making this to help you guys on your room. So this is a room, and it's much bigger than I thought it would be, and that's usually a lot of people's first reactions when they walk in, that it's bigger than it shows on the diagram. So this is my side, which I'll kind of tell you how I put it all together. These are three drawer cabinet sets that come with each bed, and you cannot take them out. They're gonna have to stay there. But I recommend putting them under your bed where they look best. And these are my sheets and throws and pillows that I got mostly off Target because I find that they're more comfortable there than the ones you get off college dorm bedding websites. And these are two throw pillows that I got off Redbubble, as well as these three frames that I got to fill up the walls and add some color because my room is mostly gray. And this is my mini fridge, which is packed with water, but you're going to be doing a lot of walking here in Savannah, so I recommend getting enough water to last you. Here are a set of shelves I got, and I keep my books and notebooks in the first one, some snacks so I can just grab something quick before I go to class, medicine when I get sick, and this last one I just kind of have some random supplies that I guess I have on hand. And also another tip is you can use the bottom of your bed for storage. I have my freshman kit and some paper pads and sketchbooks, just in general art supplies. And so here's how the setup is. And so here I have a hook that I hang my lanyard on and all the pictures that are up on my wall. What I did was I got a mini clear command strip, some string, and wooden paper clips, and I put them all vertical. And what this does is that it allows you to put more pictures, it saves space, and not a lot of people do it, so I think it looks cooler than, just hanging them from one side to the other side. So you can put yours up like this and just get some ideas. And so this is my desk space, the most important part of your dorm, where you basically do all your work. Here's my trash can, and it's right next to my desk. Also, my office supplies. I have file holders where I put my individual class folders in to stay organized. Pens, pencils, notepads, sharpener, calendar, kind of like basic office supplies. And then up on my wall, I have a cork board, which I have yet to put any like info on. A dry erase where I put my to-dos and class assignment dates. This is my chair, and you should buy your own because Turner provides these really hard metal stools that you're not going to want to sit on for a long time, and you're going to be doing a lot of work here at SCAD. So I recommend getting your own. And this is a little rollable cart that I got at IKEA, and I put all my art supplies on that I need to access pretty quick when I'm at my desk, especially when I'm doing a project. And so this is my desk, and you can see my other two roommates have really large monitors, and that's because they have game design and animation. This is my lamp, which I really like because it lights up my desk, my wall, and when I'm doing reading in my bed for like a test the next day, I need to light up just my bed area, so it's good for that. And I also use it to hang my chargers on when I'm not using them. And another rule that they have, this is a six outlet extension, and you can only have one of these in your room. You're not allowed more than that. This is my closet, which I share with the dirty clothes hampers and like a vacuum, just kind of like some weird supplies. My other two roommates have their side, so they have top and bottom. I have top of this closet, and I keep my shirts that I don't really want to get wrinkled. Shoes. I have like a space for that, and then like other supplies. This is the space in between the closet and the bathroom, and that's a dehumidifier which fills up really quickly because Turner has a lot of humidity, so you're gonna have to be emptying out water into the tub every like 2 days, and that's the sink that phases out. We got hand towels. Hand towels are a good idea, and another good idea for the bathroom. You can see here we put a shelf. Having a shelf in the bathroom really, I guess, organizes stuff. and it saves space in other places, and you can see it fits fairly well there. This is the final setup of the room, and we put the desks like all facing each other. You're gonna see different ways in different videos, but this way assures that no desk is crammed in between two beds, like where the printer would be. So you can use this way, you can use any idea that was in this video. But the most important thing to do is when you find out who your roommates are, to come in contact with them, see who's gonna bring what, see how you're gonna arrange the room, and it's kind of the best way to stay organized. And last tip is going to be when you find out that you have Turner and are looking at the room diagram. The beds shown on there are bunked, but that is not the case. When you walk in, they're going to be all separate on the floor so you can form them however you want. And that's just a really helpful tip that I didn't know about and no one would tell me. And yeah, because I really didn't want to be on a bunk bed. And so to kind of conclude this, I just want to talk about Turner itself. When I found out that I got Turner, I really wanted to move out because the Hive is obviously the prettier and more modern out of the two. But I honestly find that Turner is much more calm, relaxing. The rooms are not as bad as you would think when you actually look at the diagram. The food options are better and they're kind of closer to your classes, and yeah, you still have access to everything in Hive. So Turner, all in all, is just really good, and it is worth staying.